Right, y'all, quick video for you. We've got 4 pig's ears, 2 duck necks, some chicken feet, spleen, trachea. You see trachea? Yep. Garlic cubes going in. All the juice in there is apple cider vinegar. There's about 4 cups worth. The rest is water. Yep. Fill it up to the top. Like so. Put your lid on. Any veg peelings you want, throw them in. Any herbs, throw them in. Turn it on. Put it on low for 3 days and then it's finished. When you finish it, turn it off. Get all the bones out. Throw the bones. Top it up with water. Then put it in your tubs. Okay, bye.